Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hassan and I have recently passed my PLAB 2 exam. I'm making these videos to give you feedback regarding MedAstra Academy. MedAstra has major role actually in my success of PLAB 2 exam. I attended their 12 days comprehensive course. Their trainers with GPs are experienced, they are thorough professional. In those 12 days, they really help us getting into all the details, what are the do's and don'ts for GMC, what is required in GMC, how to crack this exam. Other than that, they have their SPS sessions in which two candidates practice together, and the feedback is actually given by their trainers themselves. So they observe you how you are doing your normal practice, and they pin all the mistakes which are actually in your reflexes. They are manikins, they are examination manikins. They got plenty of them, and they are brand new, so you would have all the chances to practice on them. Their talking manikin is exactly the same as the GMC has. So I remember when I was on the exam day in the talking manikin station, I was calm and collected because I had all the orientation from my academy of that METI man GMC mannequin station. So that really helped me in that station as well. And last but not the least, their mocks, as I call it, mighty mock. So their mock, yeah, their simulators are English, British simulators, and their examiners are GMC examiners. So what else do you need? Getting yourself assessed by the GMC examiner plenty of days before your exam. So all this actually helped me in my PLAB 2 journey with my preparation. So I would strongly recommend Dr. Sara, Dr. Awan, and Dr. Mubashir and MedAstra. They really played major role in my success. So good luck to all of you. Thank you.